have to show you this tool. It is a game changer if you like to do paper weaving. Now, I'm not sponsored. I'm not being paid for this. I'm just excited and wanted to share. I've had one in the past, and then I put it in a special spot, which means it's lost. So I bought 2 more. So here is my quick demo on how to use this fabulous game-changing paper weaving tool. You'll need some paper scraps for this, and scissors, and of course tape. I found masking tape for me seems to work the best. And then what I like to do to save time is I combine scraps that are similar sizes and I cut them all together. They're not perfect, but it gets the job done, and in the end I have several different sizes. I like 2-inch masking tape because what I can do is I can take it and I can create a tape roll. I tape one side to my desk and then I roll the tape over. And then what I'm going to do, let's see if you can see it. See, it's a little roll. Ta-da! Super easy. And then I stick one side to my desk. Because it's masking tape and it's kind of sticky, the easiest way to remedy that is to take a towel or t-shirt and I just pat it. And what I'm doing is I'm lessening the stickiness of the tape, and that way it doesn't tear my paper. You do want it a little sticky, but not so sticky that you can't remove the paper strips. Next, take your paper strips and start placing them on the tape. If you decide you need to change colors, just pick one up, it's no big deal, put it back down and lay them all out how you want. As you lay the strips out, you can see how wide you want it to be, and it's no big deal if it's too wide, just remove a strip. Then you take your tool and you squeeze the little prongs and they open up, and that's when you slide one of your strips between them and let go and it clamps on. Look how easy this is. You just take the tool and you go in and out, over and under between the strips, and you get the metal all the way through, and then you pull it. And just go slow so it doesn't catch, and then you can use the tool in your fingers to slide the strip up, and then just squeeze that little clamp. I'm holding the other side to make it easier, and it lets go. Look how fast that was. And now we take another strip. So squeeze the tool, it opens up, put the strip in, close it, take that metal end, and because we went under last time, we're going to go over, under, and repeat the process. So I'm not having to pick up every single strip of paper with my fingers. It's not super awkward. I might have to help a little bit, but the tool makes it so much easier. And keep on going. And then we'll do this one. Pull it all the way through, go a little slow. Sometimes the edges of the paper want to catch, and then you'll shimmy it up. Oh, it's so much faster. And then make sure you release the clamp. Ta-da! Position it. And then let's go again. So I clamp it on and the same process repeats. I'm just alternating going above or below the strips. And as you get used to it, I mean, there's a learning curve like everything, but as you get used to it, you get faster and faster. Yes, I sped this up, but this is light years faster than what I would be doing if I had to lift every single strip of paper up. So it's pretty amazing. You can even use the tool to help you push the strips up. And what's really wonderful is even though I'm right-handed, this tool makes it so easy, I can actually weave with my left hand if I want to. When you get to the very end, you'll have to use your fingers to help you a little bit to get the strips going, but still, it's still very, very easy. And then make sure to pull it very gently all the way through, and then you can adjust if needed. It's pretty cool that you can also use a tool to help you flip a strip if needed. So I'm holding both ends, and I'm just going to flip it over just like that. And then I like to use a tool to help me adjust little strips and get it where I want to. And then now it's time to remove the tape. So remember how we made the tape less sticky? You still have to hold down each strip as you pull the tape, pull it away from the strip, go very slow, and if you made it less sticky enough, it should remove the tape without tearing your paper. So it's a learning curve. Make sure you're holding on the strips, and that's it. You can readjust the strips if you want to, and now your paper weaving is ready to do whatever you want. If you want to seal it or whatever, you got your weaving, and it's light years faster than what it was before just because of this amazing tool. In a future video, I'll show you how to take a weaving and then seal it with PVA glue and layer with tea bags, and that way you can do even more mixed media and even oil paint over the top.